Let's take a look at how to blur the background in a video using CapCut PC. First, drag the video onto the timeline. Duplicate the video and overlay it on the upper layer. Next, click on the duplicate video, go to the Video Remove BG, click on Auto Removal, and remove the background. Then, go to the Effect tab, search for Blur, and drag and drop the blur effect between the two video layers. Adjust the duration of the effect to match the video length. On the right side, adjust the blur strength as needed. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.